Good morning. Many people have asked how ITM Genesis Elite analysis boundaries are confirmed. How do we know that that analysis boundary won't change? Well, it's very simple. If you look at what the smart money is doing, put the volumes indicator onto your chart, you'll see that there is high bullish volume at the analysis boundary in this particular case and over here. So bullish volume into seller's retail volume means that smart money will eventually overpower this selling and go long again. So we're going to follow smart money and say short-term 5-minute trade on the Aussie dollar US dollar high for $2,500. Since we're in the low strength boundary, we may also get a boundary opportunity. So we're going to keep the rest of our exposure to trade that volume. Don't worry about fluctuations. So here's the analysis boundary confirmed now with major bullish volume. Smart money has overpowered the retail sellers and is now going long. This is perfect. We are now trading the correction in towards the high probability reversal zone, that big red box at the top. So what we're now going to do is also take up the boundary option here, which has a 24.56% probability according to Genesis Elite of staying within this boundary. This may change later on, but right now this is a very safe trade to take, heading towards the reversal zone at the top there. So we're going to go ahead and put in our second $2,500 into an ARDUSD outside boundary trade for $2,500. Since we've now confirmed the analysis boundary, smart money is now going to buy back in, resulting in this correction. We're going to trade the correction in the direction everybody else, the specialists as they call them, are trading, not the retail market, and go with the trade. So we're going to look to have two profitable trades in the same direction, simply following what the specialists are doing, or the major players, the large operators. So we're going to pause now since we've got quite a few minutes to go and come back shortly with the results, just a few minutes or seconds before. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, beautiful trade there on the 5-minute time frame for the Aussie dollar US dollar. What did we do? Very simply, waited till the end of the analysis boundary, confirmed it with volume to make sure the specialists are doing the same thing, and look what happened. Major spike back to the reversal zone, and this has probably taken us outside of our boundary too. So we have two profitable trades in the making, and the 5-minute one is most definitely confirmed as a winner. The second one, boundary, even though it is outside the boundary, is not yet a confirmed winner because we still have roughly 28 minutes to go and price has to remain outside the boundary. So what we're going to do now is just wait for this to expire, the 5-minute one, since it's clearly just gone straight out. We took the trade at exactly the right time. Timing is everything in binary options, and that's what ITM Genesis Elite allows you to do, time your trades well. Now notice how as price is going towards the red box, volume is increasing in the negative zone. Bearish volume is increasing. So we may have a small problem. We've got 4 seconds left here, 5-minute trade about to expire. That's expired in the money, and we'll update shortly with the winnings. Now, having a look at the price action here, notice the large bullish volume at that medium strength boundary, indicating price going into the reversal zone. But as price is moving into the reversal zone, notice how bearish volume is picking up. That little red bar at the bottom, the volumes on the bearish side are picking up very strongly, which means there are sellers sitting over there, specialist sellers, not retail sellers, specialist sellers. So they're going to try and mark the price back down. We are currently in a winning boundary trade. What do we do? Because if they did mark the price back down, we're going to sit back inside the boundary and not be able to come out of it with a winning trade. So we have to make a decision here. We are in a closable option. We can close in profit right now and retain what we have and not have to basically forfeit the trade. So we're going to do that because there's a high chance that because those sellers are sitting at the reversal zone and price has gone so sharp into it, it's likely that we may lose this trade if price comes back into the boundary. So we're going to quit with a small profit. That's two profitable trades, one closed early and one through to completion using ITM Genesis Elite to time everything perfectly. Thank you very much for watching.